Welcome to the world of UI/UX design. Ever wondered what makes an app or website a joy to use? It all comes down to great design. In this introduction, we'll break down the concepts of user interface, or UI, and user experience, or UX, and explore how they work together. Let's start by defining what UI and UX design actually mean. Good design is crucial because it directly impacts user engagement, builds trust in your product, and ultimately drives business success. First, let's look at UX, user experience. This is about how a user feels when interacting with a product or service. UX focuses on the entire user journey, ensuring the product solves a user's problem efficiently and pleasurably. Key components of great UX include usability, ensuring it's easy to use, accessibility, making it available to everyone, and desirability, making it engaging. Think of poor UX as confusion and frustration, while good UX is effortless and intuitive interaction. Next, let's explore UI, user interface. This is what the user directly sees and interacts with. UI focuses on the visual elements, the colors, typography, buttons, and overall look and feel of the product. Essential components of UI are visual design, including aesthetics and branding, layout for structure and flow, and typography, ensuring readability. UI is also vital for communicating brand identity, making the product recognizable and creating the cohesive feel. Now, let's quickly review the steps a designer takes to bring a product to life. The process begins with research and empathy, understanding who the users are, their needs, and their pain points. Next comes wireframing to map out the structure, followed by prototyping to create interactive mock-ups of the design. Finally, the design is tested with real users, and feedback drives iteration, refining the product for the best possible experience. To wrap up, remember that UI and UX are two sides of the same coin. A successful product requires both robust UX to ensure functionality and beautiful UI to ensure appeal. If you are interested in learning more, check out the resources below to begin your journey in UI/UX design.